Hi folks, and welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. This week I've been working on the houses for the mountain village. This is going to be a bunch of A-frame style houses with different variations. So I've been working on sort of the base house that I'm going to use as a sort of reference, starting off point for all the other houses that I'm going to build in this village. So let's take a look at the progress that I've been making on that. So as you can see, I started off with an A-frame shape for the house, and from there I just worked on building up the sort of timber frame of the house, getting in the front door, then adding in some basic windows on the bottom floor and the top floor, as well as a basic chimney. Then on the chimney I changed the shape a bit, made it a bit more fancy in a way, I guess, and moved it to the rear of the house. I'm going to be playing around with chimney placement on different styles of houses here. Some more windows on the back, and then I threw in a ton of windows on the top floor as well. So to give you an understanding of how this looks in the game at the moment, I've got a clip here, so let's take a look at that. So here we have how it currently looks in the game. I'm quite pleased with how this has turned out so far, and I'm interested to see all the variations that I can do with this in order to create a village of similar but different style houses. So I'm going to have some extensions on different parts of the house, whether that be shooting off from the sides at the front or at the rear. I'm going to play around with the chimney placement as well, and do some variations for the front entrance and things like that. So that's where we're at for this week. This week coming, I'll be continuing developing this house, maybe doing some variations on it as well, and I'll maybe construct another little mock village for you to have a look at. As well as that, I'm going to be doing more storyline development within this area, which I won't be sharing with you just yet, but I also want to have a look at the character designs that I've got going on for the people in this region as well. So more design work for how they're going to dress and how they're going to look and things along those lines. So I'm looking forward to sharing that with you next week. I'll see you then.